Hi everyone and welcome to Jade, a channel dedicated to helping you better understand your pets. Today we'll talk about 5 common mistakes cat owners make and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, ignoring litter box rules. Many owners don't realize how important the litter box is. Using the wrong type of litter, not cleaning it often enough, or not having enough boxes can stress out your cat. The fix: make sure you have 1 box per cat plus 1 extra, clean it daily, and keep it in a quiet, safe spot. Mistake number 2, not providing enough enrichment. Cats need more than food and a warm place to sleep. Without toys, scratching posts, or climbing spaces, they get bored and sometimes develop behavior issues. The fix: provide vertical spaces, scratching posts, and daily play sessions with interactive toys to keep your cat happy and active. Mistake number 3, free feeding an unbalanced diet. Leaving dry food out all day or giving too many treats can lead to weight gain and health problems. The fix: feed measured portions of high-quality food and try puzzle feeders to encourage natural hunting behavior. Mistake number 4, misunderstanding body language. Cats aren't moody, they communicate with us through their body language. If we ignore their signals, they can feel stressed or even scared. The fix: learn the basics of cat communication. Ears, tails, and posture can tell you so much about how your cat feels. Mistake number 5, skipping veterinary checkups. Many people think indoor cats don't need regular vet visits, but regular checkups are essential to catch problems early. The fix: take your cat to the vet at least once a year for vaccinations, dental checks, and overall health. And that's it. 5 common mistakes cat owners make and simple ways to fix them. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Jade, and share it with other cat lovers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.